Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Justia Directory Listings step by step clearly. To configure your Justia Directory Listings, start by navigating to the Justia website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on Sign In and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account, select Create an Account and follow the prompts to register. After signing in, find the Directory Listings section in your dashboard. Click on Manage Listings to view your current directory listings. To add a new listing, select the Add Listing button. Enter all necessary information, including your name, practice area, and contact details. Ensure that your business address is accurate. Upload a professional profile picture that meets Justia's guidelines. Review your listing for any errors or missing information. Once complete, click the Save or Submit button to finalize your listing. To edit an existing listing, find the listing you wish to modify. Click on the Edit button next to the listing. Make your necessary changes and ensure everything is up to date. After making your edits, remember to click Save to apply the changes. To enhance your listing's visibility, consider adding a description of your services. Make sure your description highlights your expertise and unique selling points. You can also add client testimonials to build credibility. Finally, regularly review your listing to keep it current and accurate. Congratulations! You have successfully configured your Justia Directory Listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.